Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela Uba Prastun Tynsong. Uloong baka Sorkar jela kadang Bishar Bniah ya kajingyo ban Pynrung. Ïaki Kyndon jongka Immigration and Foreigners Act arhajar apusan. Ban pentri kam yaka ha kajing day kum ka inaline permit. Uloong ba ya kajing Bniah jongka Foreigners Act. Kabalayo jing menjur na ka parliament. Lapha Shaw Advocate General ringkat bat ka kanhon kiriu start an ban Bishar Bniah. Uloong ruba ka Kyndon jongki an jong ka Sorkar pedeng kayarap ban penbet ya ki jing e ki bayade bat ka jing wan rung bi an ki briu. Uloong ruba kam day ka kamram jong ka Sorkar jela ban pet habayade bat ka jing wan rung bi an jong ki briu shakari kadai ka Sorkar pedeng ka banshim ya ka jing ket khle ha ka bayade bat ka nie. Hindre ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalashim khya bha ya ka nikakam. Ula pente baka Sorkar Kansas dang biang ya ka jing pentre kam ya ka Village Defense Party habaro ki jaka khapot la ka dei ki khapot bat kari Bangladesh ne ki khapot bat ki jilla bamarjan shu uloong baka Sorkar kansa ai jing hikai ya ki VDP bat kinsa petru ya ki jingdon kam ki jongki ulai thuru ba ha ki khapot ki dangdon ha ka jing shngan bat ka Sorkar kalabatha e ki bor Sanchar district bakin long ki ba pet ngor bat ban le ai mardor haba ki yo e ki nu ki jingtep ki bayade bat kani.
Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025, Foreigners and Immigration Act, passed by the Parliament, to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts. Ongoing process. You know well that any illegal immigrant coming to India from different parts of our country. So the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there. So we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today.
So you will be strengthening the VDP, will you be harming them?
Yeah, this because if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not the state subject. But let me tell you one thing: as far as this situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border.
Will you be giving them arms?
Not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done. So that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more, some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue.
Sir, how safe our borders are right now?
No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because jointly, be it from the BSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed, then action is taken.
Sir, Bangladesh election